In this video, we will go through part 2 of the GAT B 2026 application form login process on BioBrain's YouTube channel. Before watching this video, watch part 1 video on the BioBrain's YouTube channel to understand the registration steps. Before starting your registration, make sure you watch the video completely. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment on the video. You will receive a reply on the same day. Once you finish watching and don't have any doubts, you can go ahead with the application login. Also make sure to carefully read the information bulletin to understand all the exam details. Before you begin filling the application form, keep your required documents ready, both hard copies for reference and soft copies for uploading. Try to complete the entire application in one sitting. Avoid filling in section by section on different days. It is recommended to use a laptop while filling out the application form. Please avoid using mobile phones for this. However, you can use mobile phones for watching this video and receiving OTPs and for making payments via UPI. Search GAT B 2026 in any search engines like Google or Microsoft Bing, and then choose the website which is an official NTA website. Then click on registration for GAT B and wait 2026. Choose the third option, already registered candidates. As in the video of part 1, we were chosen option 2, which was register yourself for the above mentioned exam. As we have already mentioned in the part 1 and applied for registration, we move ahead to fill the application form. So, choose the third option. Click on Verify Email ID. Registered email ID associated with your name and application numbers shown automatically. On next step, enter CAPTCHA. Next, click on the Submit and Get OTP button. If you want to change email ID, click on the second option and change. Enter OTP and then give Verify. If you didn't receive OTP, click on Resend Code, give OK. We will proceed with application form. Before that, there is a basic step involved in it. As we have mentioned in part 1 video, as filling registration form, kindly click on registration form on the left hand side, then verify all the details. During registration, what are the details you have filled that were listed in the filled registration form? So, verify once again by scrolling down. Click on Home button. Click on Fill up application form. Click Personal details. Fill the required details and scroll down. If your present address and permanent address were same, choose this option. Then enter CAPTCHA and save and next. By choosing yes, you were confirmed. Fill the personal details as given. Then scroll down. Enter CAPTCHA and then select save and next. Some students can receive this message. Kindly fill the correct category, certificate issue or application date in the required format. The error students was filled is the first one, as the second one is the correct. you must enter slash symbol. By choosing yes, you were confirmed. Enter disability details. Then enter CAPTCHA and choose submit and next. Choose yes to confirm. Enter your Aadhaar details and select in the checkbox. Scroll down. Enter your Aadhaar number and confirm your Aadhaar number. Then fill the CAPTCHA and choose submit. Select OK. You will receive OTP on your mobile. Fill the OTP, enter the CAPTCHA and click on submit OTP. Click on OK. Fill your identity details, as your Aadhaar photograph will be available automatically on the screen, and then check the details by scrolling down. Many students will receive the message. However, there is a mismatch of name given in the online application form and as Aadhaar records. It's not a problem because as NTS requested, the applicant name should be filled as in 10th mark sheet. Many students have many changes on their Aadhaar, like in the 10th mark sheet, the name will be available as the candidate's name with their initial at the last, but in the Aadhaar, they may have the candidate name with their father's name. That isn't a problem for the application. Next step is to fill your APAR ID. If you have a valid APAR ID, choose yes or else choose no, because for some students, if they choose yes and while filling the APAR ID, it is shown as invalid. As better, choose no. Click on OK. If you choose an yes for the APAR ID, you will receive this. Click on OK. Next session is apply for and exam center details. Fill it correctly and verify once again. Then scroll down. You can apply for 4 choices, so choose wisely. After filling the required details, enter CAPTCHA and then click on Save and Next. By clicking Yes, you were confirmed. Fill the education details. After filling graduate qualification details, scroll down. Fill your post-graduation qualification details. If UG student in the final year, choose Not Applicable. Enter CAPTCHA and choose Save and Next. By choosing Yes, you were confirmed. Next session is to take a live photography. So scroll down. Your laptop webcam is automatically turned on during this step. Live camera image will be displayed on the screen. With plain background, capture live photograph, then upload the photograph. To save your photograph, click OK. Your live photograph will be displayed on screen. Click on Save and Next. Choose Yes to confirm. In this session, you need to upload the required documents as prescribed in the screen. Note down the maximum and minimum size and the document format required for NTA. Choose File and then your image will be automatically opened. Then choose Upload Original. Click on Upload. Give OK. Choose click here to view uploaded document. To upload your signature, choose File and then your signature photograph will be opened. Then choose Upload Original. Choose Upload option. Click on OK. Choose the category certificate file and then click on Upload. Select OK. To choose file, you may upload your Aadhaar. Click Upload. Click on OK. Click on Choose File. Click on Upload. Click on OK. You can verify once again by click here to view uploaded document button. Next, after verification, scroll down. After scrolling down, enter your CAPTCHA and click Save and Next. Then choose Yes to confirm. Choose Close button and review your application. Check your personal details and scroll down. Select the checkbox and then scroll down. For many students, the name in the application form doesn't match the name in the Aadhaar. It's not at all a problem. Your application name must be your in the 10th mark sheet. Verify, apply for and exam center details and choose the checkbox. Ensure you select the checkbox and scroll down. Verify your contact details and select the checkbox and scroll down. Verify uploaded scanned files and scroll down. Verify your files and scroll down. Kindly verify your details and then ensure you have chosen all the checkbox and then click on I agree. Click on Final Submission of Application. Click Yes to submit. Your application form has been filled. Next, pay the exam fee. Choose online payment and then click Proceed for payment. Click on OK. Choose the second option and then Proceed for payment. On other payment modes, choose UPI. After confirming your amount, name, click Confirm. Scroll down to view your full QR code. Open your UPI mobile app and scan the QR code. After payment, wait for few seconds. Click on OK. Kindly take a screenshot of your screen and choose click here to return to the NTA page. Confirmation page will be emailed you by the NTA. Even though, download confirmation page and save a copy in your laptop. You have completed all the steps of online application form. Choose logout option. Choose on yes. A pop-up will be shown on your screen to close the entire window. It is strongly recommended by NTA to avoid any misuse. As many students have requested BioBrains to start a GAT B 2026 preparation program, we are happy to announce that we have launched one. In this program, we will guide you completely from registration all the way to counseling. You can check all the details displayed on the screen. Earlier, the course fee was fixed as 1000 rupees. However, to support students in preparing for and cracking the GAT B exam 2026, BioBrains has decided to offer it and reduce registration fee as final 200 rupees. To enroll, you can scan the QR code shown on the screen or refer to the description for more details. Subscribe to BioBrains. Follow for GAT B 2026 updates. Stay informed, stay prepared. Thank you for watching this video.